Welcome to the annual Thumb War competition. Our champions will compete in glorious thumb-to-thumb combat. Mostly to please me, because I'm very
Hey,
big.
what's going on?
My word!
Hey, I want one of those lollipops!
Be gone, peasant! And now, our competitors will be sorted into the tournament bracket by their weight. Oh, jolly! Our new sheriff is competing. Tell me, are you going to try for first place?
Try? Ha! I've been training months for this competition, pushing my thumbs to their very limits. Yeah, there's no stand a chance.
So you think you can beat Big Thumb Pete?
Say who what now?
Yuck, yuck! That's me!
Our returning champion. Oh, we all remember the show he gave us last year.
First place goes to Big Thumb Pete.
Ooh, how wonderfully tragic that was. Good luck, Sheriff.
Ha! Chump. Wait till they see these opposables.
Guess the gloves are off, huh?
Don't ever kid about such a thing.
It's an expression, dude.